The Shortcuts Manager lets you view and manage keyboard shortcuts in Unity. It's an interactive visual interface to help you manage editor hotkeys. A shortcut is a key that is bound to a Unity command, and command is an action that is executed in Unity editor. For example, the F key is bound to a command that is used to focus on any game object in the scene view. Now I'm using a shortcut key command N to create a new scene. Click Create to have a new scene in the project. Now I will be using a shortcut key command S to save this scene. Here we can enter the name of the scene. Select the location of the new scene and hit save. Let's create a new cube to have some experiments using shortcuts in editor. Let's try how we can access these tools using shortcuts. You can access the hand tool by pressing Q. You can activate the move tool by using W shortcut key, and using it we can move around the game object, and using handles we can change the value of X, Y and Z. And the next is rotate, and we can access it by pressing E. Using the rotate tool we can rotate the object in any direction. Next is scale tool. We can access the scale tool using R shortcut key. Using the scale tool we can change the shape of this cube. Using the shortcut key T, we can access the rect tool. The rect tool can be used to move, resize, rotate UI elements. A shortcut key Y is used to access the next tool. This tool is a good addition in the Unity editor. It's a combination of rotate, resize and move tool. Now most of the time I use this tool instead of selecting them individually. To duplicate any game object, we use command D. Let's move out the duplicate of this copy so you can see it. The duplicated cube name is cube 1. Here duplicated one more cube from the cube 1. And each copy of this cube have their own set of components. If we want to focus on any game object, we can use the F key. But to focus, our arrow should be in the scene view. To focus on any game object, we can also select the game object from the hierarchy view. It's a very useful and time-saving command, especially if you have hundreds of game objects in your scene. You can select multiple game objects, and you can focus on group of game objects using this same command. Next, we are going to try align with view, setting up the scene to view the effect. Select the main camera and finalize the view in the scene. We can apply the view using the shortcut key Shift Command F. Now you can see we have the same angle in scene and game window. As you know, we can access all these commands through menus. You can always learn the main commands from the menus. They are written in mostly front of the option. Making the habit of using shortcut keys, it's very easy to use, and of course they are time saving. The other useful commands for the panels, they are start from command 1 to command 8. Using these, we select and focus the panels. Command 1 to focus on scene panel, command 2 for game, and command 3 for inspector, and 4 is for hierarchy view, command 5 for project panel, and command 6 is for animation panel. 7 is for profiler, and command 8 is for audio mixer. Now let's come to the main part of this video, the shortcut manager. Open the Unity menu and click on shortcuts to open the shortcuts manager. Profile drop-down menu allows you to manage and switch between different shortcut profiles. The key map shows you which keys are assigned to commands and the commands they are assigned to. You can also use the key map to manage shortcuts. Category list. Commands are sorted into categories, which appears in category list. When you select a category, its command appear in the command list on the right side. This area is for commands and shortcut list. List all the commands in the selected category and their assigned shortcuts. By selecting the category, we can filter the commands that are relevant. As you can see, we have several different categories: camera, curve editor, grid, hierarchy view, the particle system, profiling, property editor, scene picking, scene view, scene visibility, snap, stage, terrain, timeline, tools, windows. And we can also search for a specific command by typing here. Like I'm typing a copy, and I will be selecting the all Unity commands to search the copy command. As you can see, we have a copy relevant commands that we have searched. Now let's try the other string duplicate. So here we have a duplicate command. We can manage the multiple profiles for the shortcut keys. To create a new profile, click here and select create new profile and enter the name of the profile. I'm typing here Tanveer and click on create. So now we are in the Tanveer profile. The changes we will make in this profile will not affect the default profile. This can be very useful where you want to manage different profiles for the different projects. As you know, we can also alter the existing commands. Let's search for the new scene command and we will be changing it. We are going to change it to command G. Now to create a new scene, instead of command N, we will be using a command G. We can also reset and remove the shortcut key. In the key map, pink keys are assigned to global commands and the blue keys are assigned to contextual commands. White keys not assigned to any commands. Gray keys are special keys that cannot be assigned to commands. For example, modified keys such as shift and control or command, or utilities such as return and escape. Let's take a folder and script creation example to see how a shortcut key manager can be very useful. Take a look at the process of creating a new folder. We go to assets, create and folder and enter the name of the folder. Now let's create a new script inside script folder. We are going to asset, create and C# script. In your project, if you are going to create many folders and scripts, we can make this process even faster. Using shortcut manager, we will create a shortcut key for creating a new folder and to create a new script. I'm writing a create in a search bar. Now it's showing all the create related commands. Let's search for the create folder. Double click on it and enter the shortcut key you want to use it for creating a new folder. Also enter a shortcut key to create a C# script. For the script, I'm using a command P, and to create a folder, I'm using a command U. Now press command U to create a new folder. Okay, nice, it's working. Let's enter the folder name. Click on the folder and this time let's try command B. Yes, now we have a new script using command B. Enter the script name. Here you take a look at the few commands that are related to tools. And these are for game objects. And these are Windows related command. These are edit commands. And these are the animation commands. Now we have seen it's very fast and easy using shortcuts. It sort of automate the process and saving your time using mouse searching and clicking in the menus. And regarding the shortcut profile, we can also export and import the profile to use in another project. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask. And thank you for watching. I see you in the next.